watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello crafty friends, it's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and I have a mystery box for you, but this is not just any mystery box, because this is Cricut's 20th anniversary mystery box, and they are giving us a special cutie in this. This is a brand new cutie, and the name of this cutie is Shimmer Green, which if you know me, you know I'm already super excited by the name, because that means it's gonna be like sparkly or something, right? I hope. Shimmer, pearl, glittery, one of those, right? It has to be. So first, let's go ahead and get into this cutie. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, I love it so much. This is the Shimmer Green cutie. Now, this totally gives me like Wicked vibes. It makes me think of the Emerald City, seriously, because it's got that beautiful shimmer to it. But that's not all, because if we flip them over on the back, just, ooh, hard to see, and of course the light is going to reflect right where it needs to not, but there we go. It says Cricut 20 years on the back of it. Oh, that's so cool. Didn't even know they could do that. And because we have this cutie, and this is like a very special cutie, and honestly, I don't know if this is going to come out in another box at all, or if this is like a one-time done thing. I think these boxes will go quick. So if you'd like to purchase the box, links are in the video description below, and you do have to be Cricut Access to purchase. So there are also links to join Cricut Access, which there's so many reasons to join that. And there's a lot of stuff in this box, and one thing you guys keep asking for. So let's jump into the rest of the box. Something that a lot of you ask for in boxes that we don't get a lot. So I'm happy to say that in this box, we are getting some paper. Oh, yes. And that is 125 sheets of the value cardstock, right? And they're all 8.5 by 11. Here we just have, it's so many colors. You got neutrals and then literally just all these different shades of the rainbow going through. How stinking pretty. But anyway, I absolutely love working with this cardstock, and it is solid core too, 65-pound weight. Well, you know what works really well on the value cardstock? I mean, value cardstock works good for a lot, but foiling does so well on it. Like small, fine fonts too, works amazing drawing on this. All right, now let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. Okay, so we are getting some iron-on. Now this is light lilac. Look at the beautiful light purple of that. The iron-on is 12 by 24 inches, but the other colors that are in this box of iron-on go with this so pretty. And this color looks so pretty with that light lilac. We are getting a roll of the iron-on in the laurel green. So really pretty pastel-y green. It looks a little lighter on camera than it is, but perfect spring green. Add to that a roll of the oyster pink. So again, that's pastel pinky color. And then a roll of the butter yellow iron-on also. So all these iron-ons will be 12 by 24 inches. And just look how pretty these all look together. So I know, instantly think spring. And I mean, we're almost in fall, and you guys seen how fast that went, which I got like a week of summer. I don't know how kids are back in school already here, but that just means that spring will be here before we know it. And these colors are good for so much besides spring, but I just instantly think spring, and spring makes me happy. Next up in the box, we're gonna get some vinyl. And this color is my favorite of the new vinyl colors. This is deep sea foam. This is deep sea foam, which is like a dark teal. I think it makes me think peacock. I don't know why, but I think peacock. So with the vinyl, you're gonna get 12 by 48 inches in each tube or roll. And this color looks really good with that deep sea foam too. We are getting a roll of the plum. That deep sea foam and plum together really does say peacock to me. And we're gonna get deep sky color also, so like a powder blue, and a roll of the forest green, so that dark green color. And as you may notice as I'm doing this, these are the newer colors that came out from Cricut and all this, so I'm excited that we're getting new. And we're gonna go ahead and get some burgundy of that vinyl too, which I can think of some team colors that this would work really well for. And we're gonna go ahead and get a roll of the brown vinyl. That was already a whole bunch. With the paper and all those iron-on and vinyls, that was a lot. But we are also going to go ahead and get printable sticker paper. So you're going to get 8 sheets, 8.5 by 11 inches. So you can go ahead and make all those sticker dreams come true for you or your kids or your grandkids or friends or whoever. But you'll go ahead and print these on your inkjet printer, and then you'll go ahead and cut them out with your machine. And you can use these with the Joy Extra, the Ventures, the Maker, for the Cricut Joy 2, and the Explorers. And something to think about when you make stickers. Play around with Cricut's Create AI in Design Space. which is an Access feature, which is another benefit of being Access. But you can like upload a picture. You can upload a picture of yourself and tell them to make you a mermaid. And then you can make her your granddaughter, you know, make her a mermaid. Say granddaughter. You know, I really want to do this for myself because I'm like 5, but I always wanted to be a mermaid. Fun fact, I named my daughter after a mermaid. Her name is Madison. I picked that name in the 80s while watching the movie Splash with Tom Hanks, and that was the mermaid's name. But anyway, back to the mystery box. And these are so fun to make. I know our admin Jamie's granddaughter is obsessed with stickers. She will go through that in like, not even the afternoon, honestly. Well, that is everything that is in Cricut's 20th anniversary mystery box. Now the price of the mystery box is $49.99 US, $69.99 Canadian, but that is before your Access discount, and that is a huge savings in this box because we got a lot of stuff. So if you'd like to purchase the box, the links are in the video description below, so just pop that down, click the link, and we greatly appreciate when you guys do that. Also in the links below, you will find links to our current Cricut giveaway, which this time we're going to have 3 winners from our Cricut Design Space Facebook group who get to spend $100 at Cricut.com. And with that, you could win 1 time, you could win 2 times, or you could win 3 times because every post is an entry. So make sure and enter that. And then we also have our August crafting challenge going on, which this month I thought we should laugh because we never have enough laughter. So the parameters for the crafting challenge are just make something funny and something that you made for someone else. So like a punny, well, punny is funny. A funny or punny like card for someone, for instance, would work. So I will have those links below also. And you guys, Cricut has their 20th anniversary sale going on this week. So make sure you take advantage of those great deals because there's a lot of great deals going on. And right now you get $20, you spend $100, you get $20 off. And you can even get a machine bundle starting at $109, which is crazy. And that's the Cricut Joy 2. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me, crafty friends. That was very exciting to share with you. Oh my gosh, did I lose my cutie again already? He's buried. He's buried. I done put all the stuff on him. But I'm very excited for that new cutie. Now I have to decide. Now, you know the ombre cuties were my favorite, right? We have Dream, which is my favorite, and then we have Sunset. But with the Shimmer Cutie, I think I have a new favorite. Now, in the comments below, leave us a comment. What do you think? What do you think of the cutie? What do you think of the box? And did you get one? I'm really interested to see how fast this box sells. I know I'm ordering a box for Alex, so I need to do that ASAP. And I just gotta say, I can't believe it's been 20 years of Cricut. Melody started doing Cricut almost 20 years ago. She's been here from almost the beginning of Cricut. And I started going to her house and crafting with it and doing, I remember doing my kids' Valentine's boxes for school and different things. And Girl Scout projects, and how much different it was then. And we had the cartridges and we had like limited images. And now I just look at all the different machines that have been made since then, all the improvements in design space, how it's grown. I just gotta say, thanks for an amazing 20 years, Cricut. I can only imagine what the next 20 bring. And to all of our crafty friends that have been with us for a long time, thank you guys so much for being on our crafty journey. All right, until next time, crafty friends, happy crafting, and I hope your week makes you as happy as this box made me, which was pretty darn happy. I was happy when I just seen the name Shimmer Green for the cutie because I was like, ooh, Shimmer. All right, guys, we'll see you next time. Bye. She was making a ruckus in the background, so I thought you guys should meet Boof. This is my grandkitty, Boof. So if you hear ruckus in the background, it's her. You gotta say, hi, Boof. This is your first time being on YouTube. It's usually Lucy Lou. She would be so jealous if she's seen this right now. Can you be quiet, though, so I can do stuff? Okay. And she's a baby. But go that way. This is so hard. Okay. So you are getting the full... Can I not have it in my head? How do I... Why is this so hard? Okay. No, you go that way. My head goes this way, that way. Okay.